This is the TR-09 drum machine by Roland. It's a replica of their legendary TR-909 drum machine made back in 1983. Now let's make a house pattern. I'll put a kick drum on every quarter note. You'll see the pattern playing along there. Now I'll select the clap and place it in the pattern. Next I'll select the open hi-hat by pressing both hi-hat buttons, and then I'll place it in the pattern. To select a closed hi-hat, press only one of the hi-hat buttons. Then place it in the pattern. You can also adjust the volume level of each sound. Now I'm going to select the ride cymbal and place that in the pattern. You can also adjust the pitch of some instruments like the ride cymbal. Next, let's mute the kick and select the snare drum. Then place the snare drum on the pattern and create a snare build. Pitch it down, and then to drop it, mute the snare and unmute the kick. That's the basics of a house music pattern. You can hear this drum machine being used by practically every single electronic music producer out there, and they may not even know they use it. The sounds of the 909 drum machine are simply classic. Here's a few patterns I've made with it.